Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming access and selecting the device you'll use. This matters because features can differ slightly. Once signed in, set a concrete goal for the session and gather 1 or 2 example prompts to see the interaction. Then open Gemini and pick the latest model or experimental toggle. This ensures you use the new trend features. Next, paste your first example prompt and label expected output briefly so the model learns context quickly and yields more relevant responses. Once you have an initial result, iterate intentionally. Split complex tasks into stepwise prompts so Gemini can handle each piece clearly. Make sure to include system or role instructions to steer tone, format, and depth. This reduces guesswork. Then compare 2 to 3 outputs, noting where accuracy or style diverges, and adjust prompt constraints like length or examples accordingly. Also experiment with temperature or creativity settings to balance factual versus inventive responses while keeping your goal in mind. You finish by polishing the final output. Request a concise summary or specific edits to align with your format. Once satisfied, export or copy results and integrate them where needed using API calls or clipboard options. If things go wrong, simplify the prompt, reduce context length, or reset the chat to remove confusing history. That usually resolves drift. Finally, run one validation check for factual accuracy and format, and save prompt templates so you can reproduce the trend-driven workflow reliably next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.